If you want to quit your job, in this video, I'm going to give you a full walkthrough on how to use the stock market to leave your 9 to 5. I'm talking about before retirement too. I'm talking about just living off of the stock market. Some of it's going to take steps, probably just 3 hours a day during the weekday, have the weekends off. And some of it is just going to be automatic type stuff, right? So first thing you want to do, if you want to leave your job, you need to have a company, right? So you want to start your LLC. And the reason why the LLC is important is because you're going to need tax breaks when it comes to the stock market, right? In the stock market, you have to pay capital gains tax, which is the amount that the money has gained or over time or whatever it is if you're trading or a long time hold. So you're going to have tax benefits to minimize your tax bill, right? So you want to have an LLC. So how you minimize your taxes is you can write off your home office. You can write off your brokerage account. I'll explain that in a second. You can write off your chart. I'll explain that in a second. You can write off your utilities, insurance, repairs on the house, and maintenance. So you can write that off to decrease your tax bill, right? So the LLC is going to protect you from if you end up messing up trading or anything like that, but you can also have tax write-offs, right? So what I mean by chart, I use TradingView. Most of everybody uses TradingView. With TradingView, if you want to trade full time, you have different type of accounts, and usually you want to look at multiple stocks at one time. But if on the free account, you can only look at one at a time. That costs somewhere, I don't know, but they have plans. So you get the most expensive plan. I think you can look at 8 stocks at one time, and then you write that off on your taxes. On Robinhood Gold is $5 a month. That is very important. I'm gonna go into the details in Robinhood. I'm sure other brokerage accounts have benefits too, but I use Robinhood, so I'm gonna go over the benefits and how you can use Robinhood to replace your 9 to 5, right? So Robinhood Gold is $5 a month. You can write that off on your taxes. With Robinhood Gold, you have a 5.25 interest on your savings account. So it has a savings account. They also have an IRA match. I think it's anywhere from 1 to 3%. So a Roth IRA match can replace your 401k. The 5.25% interest is, you know what I'm saying, that's your money holding in your brokerage account. That's gonna grow, you know what I'm saying? So you got the savings account, you got the Roth IRA, all in the Robinhood app, and you writing off that $5 a month that you're paying for, and you write off the $5 a month that you're paying for the Robinhood Gold app. So before I start talking about trading, I want to talk about passive income in the stock market, right? Passive income in the stock market, yeah, the long hold process, yeah, but that's more for retirement. But if you want a recurring income on the stock market, you do have the savings account at 5.25. That's going to grow slowly or whatever. But a Dividend Aristocrat or dividend ETF is the best way to get a recurring income, right? A Dividend Aristocrat is a company that has been consistently paying a dividend and increasing it over a long period of time. I think it's like 10 or 20 plus years. The best dividend aristocrat that will pay you on a monthly basis is Realty Income, ticker symbol O. So Realty income is around $50 a month, and the dividend is 26 cents. So about $200 will get you $1 a month. So if you want a monthly income, if you want a stock that's going to pay you on a monthly basis, Realty Income is probably the best individual stock that will pay you on a monthly basis. But a safer investment is always going to be an ETF or mutual fund, right? And an ETF and mutual fund is a group of stocks. And if a stock is not performing all that well, it could drop out of it. It's managed. So it's always the best performing and the most consistent in whatever sector or whatever the dividend is made for, whether it's growth or recession or dividends. So the best dividend ETF is SCHD. And SCHD pays a dividend of $2.66 every 3 months. SCHD stock price is currently at $78. So for just $78, you're creating an income stream of $2.66 every 3 months. I like SCHD over realty income, but you could do both. So with the 5.25 interest on your savings account, you got that money growing. You can have your Roth IRA, which is a retirement savings account. They're contributing to that as well. So you got your savings account, you got your IRA, and you got your dividend paying you every month or every 3 months. So if you're already thinking like, okay, well, I don't have $70 extra every month to pay for these stocks or buy these stocks to build this income, I got the stock market could do that for you. So if you learn day trading, you use your profits from day trading. If you're day trading, you use your profits from day trading to buy these dividend stocks. So the profits from your day trading is buying the dividend asset. So as you're increasing your money, the savings account will be growing. You'll be depositing into your IRA, and the trading is what's going to actually pay for the dividend asset. So this is growing an income off of no money coming out of your pocket. So that's why it's important to operate under an LLC, because if you did want to take out a loan to start trading, and you're not good at trading and you lose your money, then you can separate yourself. You could go bankrupt, and that won't affect your personal. You can go bankrupt in your LLC, but that won't affect your personal assets or your personal finances, right? So the LLC keeps you protected. Now, before you quit your job and start day trading, first, make sure that you are a consistently profitable trader. And what I mean by consistently, I mean out of 5 days of the week, you're only losing like one trade, and your wins are way more than your losses. Because if you want to permanently replace your 9 to 5, you got to make sure that this money is that you have mastered this skill. I will wait at minimum 2 years before leaving your job. Make sure you master the skill. Make sure your dividend incomes are coming in. Make sure you operating under an LLC, and you can leave your job off of the stock market only working 3 hours a day. I'm Mike the Money Motivator, man. Y'all like and subscribe.